At Quantum Profile Systems Limited, we understand the importance of fast product turnaround. That's why we've embraced lean manufacturing principles, enabling us to streamline our processes and deliver your products quickly without compromising on quality. With a reputation for excellence, we take pride in being an independent British manufacturer. Each product we create in our Oldham-based factory is meticulously designed to meet the highest possible standards. We believe in securing a sustainable future for generations to come. That's why we've implemented a carbon reduction roadmap to minimize our environmental impact. From utilizing renewable energy sources, we're dedicated to reducing our carbon footprint. At QPSL, we have complete control over our tooling, from design to production. Our state-of-the-art facilities house cutting-edge machinery operated by skilled technicians. Our reach extends far beyond the borders of the United Kingdom. QPSL products are specified and fitted worldwide, making us a trusted partner on projects of all scales, from football stadia to residential developments. Our extensive product range caters to diverse construction markets. At Quantum Profile Systems Limited, we're dedicated to your success. With lean manufacturing practices, a commitment to sustainability, complete control of tooling, and a global reach, we're ready to be your first choice. Contact us today to discuss how we can support your construction needs.